This is how you're going to use variants and a component Boolean property in Figma. Start by clicking on a component and then click on that, and then we're going to click on create a component. Now after that, we are going to select it and click on the variants option in the right panel, which we can access from the properties section. Click on properties and then click on variant. Now from there, we can add a new variant if you add, or if you click on this plus button right here, and then we're just going to change the color of this so that you can see how it works. Going to change it into Tiffany blue, and as you can see, we already have two versions, or we have two variants of this button right here. Now to create a Boolean property, we're going to click on any layer that we have, and then again I'm going to create a component out of this, and then from here I'm going to go back to properties and then click on Boolean, and then I'm going to toggle on this value, which is true, and then I'm going to click on create property. So with the Boolean property, you can turn an icon on or off without creating a separate component. This keeps your design system organized and makes updating easier. When you drag a component into a frame, you can quickly switch between variants or toggle the Boolean property to adjust the design. And that's it. That is how you use variants and component Boolean property in Figma. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.